busy, busy, busy. No time to waste today. We're off to dig the garden and clear the weeds away. So let's get mucky. Put your puddle busters on.
It's Gordon the Garden Gnome.
It was the first day of the grand meeting of the Gnome Council, and my magic calendar reminded me that the chief gnome had put me in charge of all the arrangements. I didn't want anything to go wrong.
What exactly happens at a Gnome Council meeting, Gordon?
It's a very important occasion, Andrew. The Gnome Council makes up all the rules for gnomes.
Ooh!
How do these look, Gordon?
Perfect, Rosie. Just perfect.
Are you sure it's okay to leave Meow at your house, Gordon?
Of course, Sue Lee. She'll be quite safe here with Rosie and Morris.
We'll play with her while you're at the big meeting.
Oh,
Thank you so much, both of you.
we'd better be off. Mustn't keep the chief gnome waiting.
That would never do.
Kew Gardens!
Good, good. Excellent work, Gordon.
Thank you.
Why don't you join us for the opening session, Gordon? I'd like you to hear my opening speech. Quite an event, you know.
Oh,
Sit down here, next to me. Agelblag, Pfoffenhavelmaden gingen, Charl to do the humbehe, Laben hardy ham ho. Simpolit garfligan I Hallison rope hoffligan. Sovlet die murmur heaven shinkabavatsatten sem hesta fightbart. Move ogrod, loose and vertlim blodfin, og im dynagram.
very good. What did you say?
I haven't the faintest idea, but it always seems to get a good clap.
Bakrolink, Smartelbast, Flugelbiscuit.
What did he say?
No idea, but he said it jolly well.
Excuse me, but can anyone understand what anyone else is saying?
But that's the whole point of Gnomish, Gordon.
It is?
Yes, you make it up as you go along. Bargly flown boy, noily bore. Wonderful language. You can be fluent in no time at all. Halfly riff luff. Go on, have a go.
No, I couldn't.
Go on. You
I
know you want to.
Yeah! Go on, Gordon!
Well, just a small speech then.
That's the ticket.
Barp fangle Todd Hoddy Flim Ep Zanves in Hapsian. So Harnick Councilant im Quartort Negel Grint.
Well done.
Chief Gnome, please, just for today, can we speak normal?
Yes! Then we'll get everything done in no time at all.
Well, if council members are sure...
Best idea you've ever had, Chief Gnome.
Very well then, Ormley Sparden feed. Our task today, Gordon, is to decide on the new sound for the Gnome Post.
Huh? So that's why we're here.
I know. A field trial. In your garden, Gordon.
But...
Good, good. Thanks for volunteering.
Come on then. Come on. Oh, don't be frightened. Come back.
Rosie?
Oh, Gordon, thank goodness. Meow has just run away. She was scared by a dog barking.
Oh dear, that was me.
What's going on?
Oh, Gnome Post has gone haywire!
The chief gnome's running an experiment. We have to decide which new gnome post sound we like the best.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Ha ha! Couldn't resist trying that one out myself. Keep marking the sounds. Cue gardens.
I like the chief gnome sound.
10 points!
We can't mark sounds now, Gordon. We've got to find Meow.
She could be anywhere.
I'll check the woods.
We should listen out for her bell.
Yes, good thinking, Andrew.
Meow.
Meow.
Too loud. Only 2 points, I think.
How are we going to hear a tinkling bell with noises like that going on?
Running about looking for a lost kitten isn't really our thing, is it, Des?
Not at all, Les. In my view, we're better off staying in one place and seeing if she comes past.
I suppose there'll be some sort of reward for finding her.
Highly likely, I'd say.
I rather fancy a reward.
Especially if it's for doing nothing.
Meow! Meow! Ow! Oh, that wasn't very funny.
Gordon, a tinkling bell. I think I can hear one in my garden.
Jerome's right.
Hooray!
There it is again.
Over there, by that tree.
Meow! Meow! Oh no! It's not meow at all, just another of the chief gnome's sounds.
Well, no points for that one.
Oh, Gordon, I couldn't find Meow, and the Gnome Council's here.
Oh dear, what shall I tell Sue Lee?
Wonderful cabbages, you see. Entirely pest-free, of course. He never spoke a truer word. Any sign of the kitten, Les?
Not a whisker. I can feel that reward slipping away, Des.
Ah, Gordon. Good, good. We've come for the results of the test.
Where is Meow, Gordon? How is my little darling?
Ah, well now, you see...
Meow? We didn't have a meow sound, did we? No, can't see it here. Can you see it, Nelson? The kitten! The kitten! There she is!
With Morris! Oh, well spotted, Des.
Oh, Meow!
There you are!
Quite safe.
Hello, my puppet. Have you been a good girl?
Phew! That was close, Gordon.
It certainly was.
The plan worked, Des. She came to us.
Exactly. No running about needed at all. It's a skill, Les. I'd be a fool to deny it.
Now for our reward, eh?
It was such fun! I was playing with Rosie, and then this dog barked and frightened me, so I ran down a hole.
And it was one of mine.
Morris has been showing me around his tunnels all afternoon.
That wasn't a real dog meow, just one of the new sounds for Gnome Post.
Probably not the best one. Seems to have caused a bit of confusion.
Well, Chief Gnome, I found all the new noises confusing and, well, rather silly.
You're right,
Really
Gordon.
silly.
Oh. A message from Gladioli. Ooh, my wife reminds us not to be late for tonight's Gnome Council Gala dinner.
Oh, I like that noise, Chief Gnome.
You did?
10 points.
You all prefer the old one?
Yes!
What a relief! So do I.
Eh? Then why did
The
everyone...
old sound wins. This calls for a celebration. I know. We'll have the gala dinner here. Here. What about our reward? Blue Farm, Haldy, Spotty Ham.
Oh, do speak properly, dear.
Only joking. Welcome, everyone. Let the feasting begin.
So we had our old gnome post noise back. Meow enjoyed the rest of her visit.
Oh, a juicy peach!
Must be our reward, Les.
Worth waiting for, I guess.
Succulent.
And everyone was very, very happy. Ta-da!
Goodbye. Adios.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Goodbye.